Oh, that's neat.
A lot of people really showed up, and you got a lot of vehicles showed up. I just kept coming down the road. I left the fence and I got it, just come in the road.
I'm gonna record our way out because I didn't get to take like a picture of every car here that I planned. I bet you there's at least 250 cars here.
There's a lot of vehicles here. I think there's more here this year than there was last year.
There is. Like, this truck was never here.
They proved me wrong, but I was like,
It's the same car show.
don't get me wrong. We've seen
There
a lot
are
of the same
a lot of the same vehicles, but there's a lot of new ones too. Like this thing. This is new.
Carburetor one.
I'm posting this on YouTube, but I'm done. We are at the 2025 Barnesville, Ohio Pumpkin Festival Car Show.
Then look at this one, it's a pumpkin. Did you see it?
They're starting to pull out.
Nah, it's more coming in.
Oh, yeah. I can see that. Beautiful Mustang. Look at this Corvette pulling in, Dad. I love this Mustang.
Yeah, those things are coming like hen's teeth too.
How you doing? You ride that bike up here?
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, I noticed that too. That's why I went over there.
We gotta hit this little bit and then we're done. I'm kind of surprised there's still people coming in. Thought we'd hit every single vehicle in the state.
Yeah, this down through here is about the only thing we haven't.
Yeah. Usually there's not a lot of that good cars through here. I still can't believe some guy brought his Tesla here. Who brings a Cybertruck to a classic car show?
No, I mean, you got a Jeep Renegade sitting right there. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
but I mean the Cybertruck is like brand spanking new. And ain't even that good looking, really.
Look at all your newer Corvettes and stuff that's sitting around here too. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but that's like an actual car. This guy's driving a battery. Driving a battery on wheels.
Well, that's pretty much all of it, bud.
I know.
Head up to the festival and see what's
Yeah, we'll get
up there.
see what's up there. Alrighty.
4 more of your mom's cars.
Oh, I love this Daytona. Shelby Daytona. I like that. I can't get over that orange, reddish. I don't know. I can't see with my sunglasses on what color it is. Oh, I like this little thing. Is that a Chevette?
With the battery?
No? What is that? I don't know what that is. That is a Monza?
Old Monza.
Cool.
Probably the only one you're going to see here. He's like, is that a Chevette? No, it's not a Chevette. It might be the only one you see here. It is the only one I've seen here. We've done hit all of them. Yeah.
Gotta take a sip of my Dr. Pepper. Oh, this guy has a TikTok.
Yeah, he was over here earlier about it, and I asked him, "Did you ever really use that wind? Have you ever buried this thing?"
I doubt it. I like this truck up here, this blue one.
Yeah, I don't believe that was there when we
That's a
walked
Chevy. Beautiful cars. Alright, y'all, that was the car show. See y'all next time.